In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your Smartsheet rows effectively. If you've been looking for a way to keep your data organized and easy to analyze, you're in the right place. Sorting information helps you visualize the data in the way that makes the most sense for your particular needs, whether that's by dates, numerical values, or any other metric relevant to your project. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can make the most out of your Smartsheet experience. To begin, we're going to focus on selecting the rows you'd like to sort. This is quite straightforward. Simply start by clicking on the row numbers. If you need to select multiple rows at once, hold down the Shift key as you click. This allows you to highlight multiple rows that are contiguous. It's similar to selecting multiple files in a folder on your computer. This technique is especially useful when your data spans several rows or when you wish to focus on a specific section of your spreadsheet. Once you've got your rows selected, the next step in the process is to access the Sort menu. This is done by right-clicking on one of the highlighted row numbers. By doing so, a context menu will appear. From this menu, look for and click on Sort Rows. This action opens up the Sort Operation dialog, where you'll be setting your sorting criteria. It's a handy way to instruct the Smartsheet about what exactly you'd like it to do with your selected data. Now that we have the Sort menu open, it's time to choose your sorting criteria. This is the part where you decide where you want the emphasis to be. You'll start by selecting which column you want to be the basis of your sort. For example, if you're looking at a ledger, you may choose to sort by the Date column to arrange transactions chronologically. Conversely, if it's a project list, you might sort by Priority to see what tasks need your immediate attention. After selecting the column, determine the order you want your data to be sorted in, either ascending, which would sort it from A to Z, or from lowest to highest number, or descending, which is the opposite. Finally, you need to apply the sort. This part is as simple as it gets. Just click OK, and Smartsheet will rearrange the data according to the criteria you set. This operation can significantly improve your efficiency, making it easier to interpret the data exactly how you need to. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've become a pro at sorting your Smartsheet rows. Keep these tips in mind, and soon managing your data will feel smoother and more intuitive. Thank you for watching, and happy sorting!